Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude and I truly appreciate you being here. Please don't forget to subscribe and become part of this amazing family. In today's video, I'm bringing you a beautiful and very simple recipe. We are making ricotta cheese. Trust me, by the time you finish watching this, you'll realize that making ricotta cheese at home is quick, easy, and honestly feels like an art on its own. So let's get right into it. Here I started with a half gallon of whole milk. You can always adjust the quantity depending on your needs. Pour into a pot and heat it on low heat until it begins to bubble slightly, not boiling. While the milk is heating, make sure you stir occasionally so it doesn't burn and allow it to heat evenly. Then I went ahead to squeeze out fresh lemon juice. Everything here is completely natural. You can also use white vinegar if you prefer. Now that the milk is properly heated, I am adding the lemon juice, just like we did when making cream cheese. Gently stir it and watch the magic happen. You will notice the milk beginning to curdle and separate, almost like it's scrambling. At this point, allow it to sit for 10 minutes. As you can see, the cheese has now separated from the liquid. That liquid is called whey and is very nutritious. You can use it for other recipes. You'll know it's ready when the whey turns yellow and the curds become white. Now we go ahead and strain it to separate the cheese. And just like that, we have our fresh ricotta cheese. At this point, you can squeeze out as much liquid as you like, but personally, I prefer mine a bit soft, not too dry, with just a little moisture left in it. Allow it to cool, then transfer it into a container and store it in your refrigerator for use. And that is simple, quick, and homemade ricotta cheese. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. I'll definitely be reading your comments. Bye for now.